There's a cold wind blowing in July, and the midday sun won't rise. The air tastes like static and silence, while the truth gets buried in lies. They sell us light through broken screens, while the world outside still bleeds. We trade compassion for convenience and call it liberty. Raise your hands, let the embers fly. There's a storm that's waking in the sky. We won't bow, we won't comply. There's a cold wind blowing in July. Hear the people, hear the cry. No more darkness, no more lies. We are the fire they can't deny. There's a cold wind blowing in July. We march through streets of silver glass, where the banners fade and crack. They chant of freedom from their thrones, while they stab us in the back. The hungry feed on empty words, the rich drink guilt like wine. But the quiet hearts are stirring now, and we won't fall in line. Raise your hands, let the embers fly. There's a storm that's waking in the sky. We won't bow, we won't comply. There's a cold wind blowing in July. Hear the people, hear the cry. No more darkness, no more lies. We are the fire they can't deny. They're the cold wind blowing in July. Light a match for every silence, for every name they try to hide. Let the wind of truth ignite us, let the tyrants run and die. We are the thunder in distance, we are the breaking of the chain. No more frozen hearts in July. We are the storm, we are the flame. Raise your voice, don't let it die. Let the city hear our cry. No more fear beneath their sky. There's a cold wind blowing in July. From the ashes we'll arise, with open hearts and open eyes. We are the dawn they can't deny. No cold wind in July.